Hey guys, this is Birprit again. I just want to explain you one more thing because I was checking the charts and I got an example in front of me. What happens when when it breaks consolidation? Okay, I told you in the last chapters that you know what, when it breaks consolidation, wherever it breaks, it's gonna go that way for some time until it changes the trend or it goes in consolidation. Then you check it again. So how do you see that? Okay, let's take it this way. Ignore this chart. Okay, I'm doing something new. Okay, so let's say my stock is in consolidation and this is my consolidation. It's an example I'm giving you, and I draw the lines and I know that you know what, whatever it goes back up. Okay, so this is my line. Let's say the price is $10 and tomorrow my stock closes above whatever, so $10.50. It's an example I'm giving you. So now you'll not just take the trade. I mean, you'll not go into this stock the next day. I mean, you'll not buy this stock the next day. You'll wait for two confirmations. What do I mean by two confirmations? So you're looking for 2 days when it's closing above the previous price. So let's say it closed at 10, the next day it closed at 10.50, then another day it closed at 10.30. You'll not take a trade. Let's say it closed at 10.30 on the second day. You'll still not take a trade. You want a price more than 10.50 now. So something more than 10.50. Let's say the next day it closes at 10.60. Now it's a good signal that you can take a trade. So in investing life, there is different kind of investors. One is called safe investors. I should say I just want to be really sure about what I'm doing. So in that case, you would really want to take extra measures or be conservative about it. So what you can do in cases of consolidation, wherever it breaks, let's say it breaks above over here, you'll not just take the trade next day. You look for two more good candles, two more positive above candles than this price. Let's say this price is $10 again. So the next day the stock close at $10.50. I'm just repeating it so that it's clear. Give me 1 second. Let me clear that. Okay. So let's say next day the stock closed at $10.50. Another day the stock closed below. The stock goes down. Let's say now it's $10.30 over here. And the next day the stock goes more down. Let's say $10.10. Another fourth day the stock goes above and be like $10.60. Now you have two confirmations, two good candles that says that it's closing above $10. Then you'll take a trade. So let me give you a real example of this. This is an example. The name of the company is called Google. And now see this. If I have to draw support and resistance, if it's my worst, I mean, by now you know how to draw support and resistance. I know sometimes it gets confused where to draw it. So let's take the worst chart. So I'll draw over here. This is my support. This is my resistance, and somewhere over here is going to be my support. Okay. So if I see right now, I'm going to enlarge it so that it's clear. So it broke my support and resistance, but right now I have one good candle, one candle that says it's closed over here. So the red candle closed down. So where does it close? It closed at 1762.41. How can I see the price? The price is reflected over here, guys. Whenever I take my mouse over there, it gives me the price at that point. So the red candle closes at the bottom. So if I see the bottom over here, that is 1764.23, whatever it is. And now today the stock closed at what price? 1762.41. So I'm looking for one more candle above this price. Which price is it? 1764.23, and then I can get into stock. Then I can buy stocks and I can expect profit. I know it's an expensive stock, but I just give you an example. It would be many stocks, so the price could be $1 or $2, but depends. So let's take an example of Facebook. If that's the case, okay, yeah, that's the case. Not in this scenario, okay, but still, if I have to, okay, there's one more thing. So this is my support and resistance, right? Okay, not in this scenario. Okay, I don't want to confuse you, so sometimes I have to make sure what I'm saying. So not this scenario. Okay, let me find stocks and find out if I can give you a perfect example of this. Give me 1 minute. NVDA, let's see. Okay, this is a good one. So let me erase this and show you what do I mean by that. Okay, so if I have to draw the support and resistance, my line would be somewhere over here for resistance and somewhere over here for support, right? So now this stock is on the verge of either breaking or coming down. That's what's going to happen, right? Either it's going to go down from tomorrow or it's going to break it. So even if it breaks it tomorrow, you want two good confirmations. So you're looking for two prices above 582.48. Let's say the price tomorrow is 583. So you look for one more above candle, let's say 583.40. So when you have two candles above my resistance price, this is my resistance price, then I can say, you know what, I can get into that stock. So this is the strategy of a conservative trader when I really want to be sure about my money. So this is what I mean, and this is my resistance, this is my support. I know it takes time, so take your time, do the practice. I just want to let you know this thing: if you really are conservative about your money, even after consolidation break, even after this break, you can wait for two confirmations and be like, yes, I will take the trade now. So be patient, guys, it takes time. So if you have any questions, give me a call.